Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home, children. In our previous class, we have completed the reading of lesson 2 and we were doing its book exercise. Today we will do its word meanings and question answers. So our notebook work of lesson 2 will be complete. So now let's start with our word meanings. First, write date, CW day in your notebook and then we will write its word meanings. First is braced. Means supported. Second is synced. Means burned. Third is children, battered. Beaten or bruised. Then we have sluice. Channel for surplus water to drain out. Fifth, we have scornfully. Disrespectfully. Then, sixth, we have mustards. Or rat-like animal. With thick brown fur. And last one is whimpers. Make small sounds of pain and fear. Make small sounds of pain and fear. So children, let me again explain you. First is braced. Braced means supported. Means सहारा कोई सपोर्ट का हम लगा देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस बोर्ड है. this is hanged on wall, but something we put against or something we take support of, that is called सहारा देना, raised. Singed, burned, जलना. Then we have battered, means bitten या bruised. Bruised means children चोटों के निशान, चोट लग जाती है जब हमें, जिसमें खून नहीं आता है, उस टाइप का. Bitten and bruised. Then we have so see children now sluice. Children जो बाथरूम में जाली लगी होती है जिससे पानी फ्लश आउट होता है, that is called sluice, channel for surplus water to drain out. Then we have scornfully, means disrespectfully. जब आप उसको अपमानजनक, किसी को अपमानजनक बदतमीजी से बोलते हैं, रिस्पेक्ट से नहीं बोलते हैं, that is called scornfully, disrespectfully. Then we have muskrats, a rat-like animal with thick brown fur. Rat ना होके इट्स आल्सो रोडेंट, rat like animal होता है, थोड़ा सा rat से बड़ा होता है और मुंह उसका थोड़ा सा लंबा होता है, एंड दैट इज, उसका भी ब्राउन कलर होता है, थिक फर होते हैं उसके, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड मस्करेट्स. एंड विम्पर्स, जब हम चूचू की जो आवाज निकालते हैं दर्द के मारे जब हम कराते हैं, विम्पर्स मेक स्मॉल साउंड ऑफ पेन एंड फिर, जब डर के मारे, दर्द के मारे हमारे जो हल्की हल्की मुंह से आवाज निकलती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड विम्पर्स. Okay children, so once again I want to tell you pronunciation: braced, supported, singed, burned, battered, bitten or bruised. Then we have sluice, channel for surplus water to drain out. Then we have scornfully, disrespectfully, muskrats, a rat-like animal with thick brown fur and whimpers, make small sounds of pain and fear. Now we will do its question answers. Now we will do its question answers children. Question answers are: number 1, question 1, what did Rikki Tikki hear when he was in the garden with Chuchundar? कि रिकी टिकी ने क्या सुना when he was what did Rikki Tikki hear here when he was in the garden with Chuchundar. रिकी टिकी ने क्या सुना जब वो छुछुंदर के साथ गार्डन में था? What did he hear? So उसने क्या सुना चिल्ड्रन? He heard Nag and Nagina planning to kill the big man and his family. Rikki Tikki heard Nag Nag and Nagina planning to kill the big man and his family. And his family. Now question 2. What instructions did Nagina give Nag about killing the big man? कि नगीना ने क्या इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए थे नाग को टू किल द बिग मैन को मारने की क्या इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए थे? So Nagina said to him that after killing the big man, come and tell to me. Nagina said to Nag, to quietly go inside the house kill the big man and then come and tell to me. Right, children? So now question number 3. Question number 3. We have, why did Nagina want the house to be empty? Why did Nagina want the house to be empty, children? Because she wanted room and space for her children. wanted the house to be empty because she wanted rooms for her children. क्योंकि उसे अपने बच्चों के रहने के लिए जगह चाहिए थी. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. हाउ डिड रिकी टिकी अटैक नाग? रिकी टिकी ने नाग को कैसे अटैक किया? Children, please write Nag with capital letter as it is the name of the snake. Riki Tiki. Attacked Nag. We will write ed because here did is there in question. So in answer we will not write did. So we will write ed. Attack Nag by biting him on his head. Now question number 5. We have, why did Riki Tiki feel dizzy when he was fighting Nag? Why did Riki Tiki feel dizzy when he was fighting with Nag? Why did Riki Tiki feel dizzy when he was fighting with Nag? उसको जी क्यों घबरा रहा था जब वो नाग से लड़ रहा था? Because Nag beat him very badly. नाग ने उसको ऊपर नीचे ऐसे पटका जोर से, ऊपर नीचे इधर उधर जोर से कि वो उसका जी घबराने लग गया, उसको चक्कर आने लग गया. He felt very uneasy. We will write felt, children, because in question did is there. So in answer we will write felt. ये लाइन चिल्ड्रन क्वेश्चन की एज इट इज विल कम. When he was fighting Nag, because he was badly bitten by a nag. Because he was badly bitten by nag. And these question answers also you have to do in your fair notebook, children. Here ends our question number 1. Then here ends our question number 3. And here question number 4. I made this line so that it will be easy for you to write it. Okay, children? Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our notebook work is complete, children. Any difficulty, we will discuss it in live class. And in our next class, we will do its book exercise. And this lesson will be complete. So, that's for today. Take care of yourself, children. Stay at home, stay happy, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.